sport luxury convertible here. 2004 Cadillac XLR. Retractable hardtop convertible. This car, of course, in black raven with the shale leather interior. And as you can see, the paint has a nice luster to it, reflection off the wall of the sign. Now, it is black. You are going to find imperfections here and there, maybe a little spot where it's been touched up. The car does have a little over 40,000 miles on it. You got to remember, it would be approaching 17 years old now, but let's take a close look at the front, see for yourself. Still shows nice. Fun convertibles with that retractable hardtop. Of course, a 4.6 liter dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood, and that is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. That engine, 320 horse, 310 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this car, interior, trunk. Pictures of all those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. And that's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. See us riding on the stock alloy wheels. Big front disc brakes up front. You can look up and down the car straight. Again, you can see the reflection coming off the wall behind me. The paint does have a nice luster to it. Shale leather interior. These were considered a luxury roadster when they were first introduced. Got that look to them. Of course, all your modern amenities, navigation, power windows, power locks, dual climate control, heated seats, all of that, as well as the power steering, power brakes, AC, center dump exhaust, rear parking assist is what those little circles in the bumper are. Here's one of those little spots I kind of mentioned where you get a little bit of touch up with the black paint. So you can tell the car was well taken care of. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look up and down. Driver's side as well. See the reflection of the showroom behind me, all the way to the front door. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. This car will also have steering wheel controls, heads-up display, driver's information center, traction control, memory seating. Very nicely equipped Bose stereo system. And again, we mentioned that nav. See the screen and the stereo system. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you check out the exact mileage. All right. Show you this also. Turn the stereo on. That's where your radio settings are going to be. All right, display came up. There, a little over 40,000 miles. What do we got? 42,584. And as you can see, the only light that's flashing, that is the seatbelt light. I don't have it on. Other than that, no warning indicators, anything like that. Check out the heads-up display. You can see that right there too. And you can turn that on and off, adjust it, change the dim, how bright it is. Dash all in nice shape. Here's your dual climate control and automatic dual climate control at that. Set it where you want it. Of course, these are a power top switch being right here. And we're going to run that up in a little bit. Show you with the top up. I'm also going to pop this hood so we can check out the engine bay. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. No crazy exhaust. Doesn't appear to be any modifications there. Nice sounding car. the way you'd expect. Sounds like it would have came off the showroom floor back in '04. All right, let me see if we got that hood pop.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there's the 4.6 liter dual overhead cam. As you can see and hear, smooth running V8. 320 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. Hood struts functioning as they should. And take a look at the hood liner. You can tell these cars are not driven in inclement weather or anything like that. Very clean hood liner. Sorry about the glare from the light there. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. See if I can get somebody to help me with the top. I want you guys to be able to see this top go up and down. Alright. Got a trusty assistant to help me out so you can see this top go up and down. Very cool operation. Latches itself, locks it all the way down. When it's complete, you get a chime from inside the car knowing it's done. And away you go. And that should be it. Just like that, top is up. Alright, so there you go. 2004 Cadillac XLR. Retractable hardtop convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.